Yep, that's what we're making today. We are making soju cocktails with freshly squeezed grapefruit juice and soju. That is yummy. 여러분, 님이 금세 오실 것 같아요. What did I say? I just said, I think I'm going to get a real good buzz on very, very soon. Hi everyone, this is Helen, and what are we making today? We are making soju cocktail with freshly squeezed grapefruit juice and soju, of course, topped off with a little bit of whiskey on top. Welcome to Modern Pepper. So for those of you that are new to Modern Pepper offers instructional cooking lessons for authentic Korean dishes as well as Korean fusion dishes. 오늘은 맛있는 소주 칵테일 레시피를 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. So we need a grapefruit. Cut it in half and just roughly cut them into this size. You need a lemon squeezer. This is one of my favorite gadgets. So open one up, put one here with the skin part facing up, and then you squeeze. And it's easy as taking this out and then just putting another one in here. And the beauty of the citrus squeezer is once you squeeze it, you just turn to the side and you don't even have to go fishing for the seeds, which is so annoying. All right, so here's our last one. So one grapefruit will yield you about this amount, depending on the size you're using, of course. So we're gonna strain our grapefruit juice. If you don't mind the pulp, you don't need to strain this. This is soju. If you've never had soju, you're missing out, so don't miss out. So soju is a national beverage for Koreans. It's what vodka is for Russians, but it's certainly not as strong. It's about like 14 to 18, 19% proof, so you will get a nice buzz without feeling hammered, so that's great. So we're gonna do one part. This is 1.5 ounce of soju in here. And then we're gonna add 3 parts of your freshly squeezed grapefruit juice. 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna add some simple syrup. Now you can make it as sweet as you want or as little sweetness as you want. I mean, that really is up to you. But I'm gonna add 3/4 of an ounce. And if you don't have simple syrup at home, you can make it at home. I mean, the recipe is so simple. Equal parts sugar and water on really low temperature, mix and let it cool, and voila, you have your homemade simple syrup. So cocktail shakers are very, very important, but if you don't have one, not to worry, because you could just use anything. I mean, this one's really pretty, but anything where you could take something super long and put it in your stir, you know, just like 007, he likes his martini stirred, not shaken. So do it the way you like it. I mean, if you're watching this in March of 2020, we are literally in a lockdown, so make do with whatever gadgets you have. But these guys are handy. I would highly recommend purchasing these over these guys that go in here, you know, the one that everyone has. And by the time you finish making one cocktail, this is frozen solid seal that you cannot open it until you wait like 10 minutes. Then you have people in your house staring at you because they're just waiting forever for their next cocktail. So that's not fun. So, but with these guys, I will show you could pop them open real fast. Make sure to check out the recipe blog for today's soju cocktail recipe at modernpepper.com, and I'll also have the link in the description box. And it will also include all the barware that we used today, so you could conveniently order them online. And if you use any of those links, I have to say thank you very much, because that means that you are supporting my channel, because I will get a tiny commission. at no extra cost to you, of course. So you're gonna take this and put it in our cocktail shaker. And then it's time to shake, 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 shake. You see how the cocktail shaker is frosted? This is impossible to pull out. So I have a trick for you. You tap it on the side like this, and voila, that's how you unseal it. I want you to have a taste. Take a straw, take some out. For me, this is the perfect amount of slight sweetness. It's really not sweet at all. And the tartness is perfect. But you might like it sweeter, so add more simple syrup. You might like it extra tart, then add more grapefruit. You might like it with lots and lots and lots of more alcohol, then add more soju. Now, if you don't have soju at home, because we're in a lockdown, use vodka. Just slide in a slice of grapefruit like that. Big piece of ice, and then we're just gonna pour. As easy as that. Now, you could have it as is, but sometimes you just need your cocktail to start working right away. After sip 1 or 2, you want to feel it. So what I like to do is I like to top it off with a little bit of whiskey. I mean, I wouldn't use my 32 Macallan on this, but just, you know, whatever handy whiskey you got, I would just top it off. Some fresh mint. I have some dried cloves. I mean, this smells incredible. You could also make it 2 other ways. One is martini style. Make sure to freeze your martini glass in the freezer. Take your grapefruit and just scrape it to the side. And then just let it get a little bit of this brown sugar crystals like that. Pretty. And then we're gonna take some fresh mint and then we're gonna put it like that. Like that. Voila. And 1 clove like that, and it's ready. And the other is nice and light and refreshing with some soda water. Put a slice of grapefruit in like so. Put 1 ice cube in. I'm gonna put some mint, more mint, and then we pour. And then you could, for this one, make it light and refreshing and top it off with some sparkling soda. Sometimes when I drink a cocktail or 2, I dream about dreamy kitchens. Countertop this big is where my dreams are made of.
Excuse me. Open houses bring in some weirdos.
You like it? I love it. So you're not going to kick me out of your open house, right?
Not anymore.
And special thanks to my dearest friend, Helena Zaldova from 7by7.com. Check her out. She knows her real estate. This is really, really nice and refreshing. So cheers to staying safe, staying healthy, and to getting through this lockdown together. So if you enjoyed watching today's video, make sure to click on that thumbs up icon. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to click on that subscribe button, because I would love to make more cocktails together. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼 눌러주시고 구독 버튼도 꼭 눌러주세요. 다음 비디오에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. Here are more cocktail recipes to check out, everyone.